insane is that? So beautiful, isn't it? Amazing. Anyway, so yeah. So I'm gonna be doing more vlogging, to be honest, but right now I've just been so busy, so I'm just saying to you guys, expect my vlogs to come in maybe every 2 weeks, and I want to try and do it every week, but right now I think I might be doing vlogs every 2 weeks. So I'm gonna be planning some trips soon. If you guys got ideas of where I should go, where I could go, or places, you know, let me know. Drop them in the comments. I'll be more than happy to go check it out. So for sure, let's do it. So in the meantime, as I said, just to recap, I just moved to a new place. So I'm going to be showing you that new place today and just the surrounding areas. So this is going to be tricky. I'm going to try and ride my motorcycle or my scooter whilst I vlog. One hand riding. This is going to be bad, but let's see that if that works. I don't have a GoPro, so we're just gonna have to do this old school. Yeah, I think I got this. Yeah, we'll see. Fingers crossed, mate. But yeah, so let me show you around and check it out. That's my motorbike. I just decided to ride it here because I have to carry so much stuff with me. This is a really nice restaurant just right next to me called Italay. Beautiful. And my house is pretty much just down that road, and you can probably see the rooftop somewhere there. We'll go check it out now. Alright, wish me luck. So I just left the beach, and this is a pathway to my house. As you can see, it's a walking distance, but I just thought I'll jump on the bike and show you instead. This is very tricky. So I just wanted to point out I'm using the Zion gimbal, and as you can see, I'm on the motorcycle. The road is bumpy, but the footage is proper steady, so that's quite cool. So this is where I live. This is where I live. It's a really nice apartment. We're gonna come to that in a minute, but I just thought, why don't I go show you around first? So let's see if I can do that. Alrighty, so down that path, we've got a restaurant, a local restaurant, and the laundry, not too far. But I was gonna head up here just to show you a nice coffee house, so let's go check it out. Woo, this is tough, riding with one hand. Alrighty, there we go. I've got it, let's go. I think this school's for the deaf, if I'm correct, I'm not too sure. But I might be wrong. Alrighty, so this is the coffee house. Pretty slick, huh? So I don't know what time it's open from. As you can see, not bad. Place to have coffee. That's another resort here. Let's see, where else can we go? Alright, I'm gonna have to switch this off and actually, you know what, let's head back home. Let me just show you my house quickly, and then we'll go from there, and then I can plan on how I can vlog other places whilst riding. Ooh. Alrighty. Okay, for those of you riders, do not try this at home. Riding and holding your motorcycle with one hand and then vlogging on another, it's dangerous. If you're not a professional rider, even if you're a professional rider, please do not try this at home, okay? I have got my M1 license. I am a professional racetrack rider and a motorcycle rider, so I'm kind of used to this. But, oh, there we go. Instances like this where you're coming down a hill, you need your back brakes, and there we go. Alrighty, let's continue. Woo. I hope you're enjoying this. Yeah, it's real. So if you think I was joking, as you can see, that's me riding and vlogging, and that's not it. That's one of my Alright, so I pretty much, that was a convenience store next to me, that's my neighbors, and I pretty much live here. It's called a garden home Seaview. And oh, we're gonna try and go in. I'm gonna park here for the meantime, and that's my place. So the battery is about to die, so what I'm gonna do is charge it up and then we'll go in, okay? Alright guys, see you in a bit. And now we're back. So this is my compound where I live, the new spot. Just parked my bike here. And what we're gonna do now is take a walk. These are the stairs leading up to the front. We're gonna go in, so give me 1 minute. Let me change the ISO on this baby. We'll come right in. Go put shoes here. Well, I'm gonna get a shoe rack anyways. TV. We're about to watch some Netflix. I got my video game. Couch. Side chair as well. Okay, and over here I just got some utensils. Nice fridge, kitchen, and then if we head over here to the back, the back door. Oh, right. We'll come back to that. And we'll head over here into the bathroom. There we go. A nice, lovely shower. Come to this section, go lovely bathroom, and that's me. Hello. My sink, bathroom, got a lot of space for like just storing stuff. So at some point I'll probably do that. Yeah. And then section here is the bedroom. Side table. There we go. And that's my 1-bedroom place. Alright guys, so you've seen the place, you've seen my house. 1 bedroom, I can't complain, I love it. Now, the price. $164. I repeat, $164 for a 1-bedroom. What I just showed you. Ridiculous. It's ridiculous. Anyways, I can't complain. That's it for me today. And tune in next week, or next 2 weeks, we'll see. But it was fun showing you where I stay, and catch you guys later. Have fun.